Okay, so the blizzard did decide to show up for real, and we are getting real snow, real hard, real windy, and really cold. But that's nice. It's nice, you know, because it's winter, and you're supposed to get snow that sticks. And you're supposed to get wind taking the snow sideways. And it is a nice heavy snow. So I would imagine school's canceled for the kids, maybe for more than one day. And we had dinner plans to go out tonight, but in North Carolina, this could shut down this whole state. I'm not even going to bother going to the food store because grocery stores sell out for this amount of snow that's not sticking on the ground very much, but this amount coming out of the sky, and people around here freak out like it's the end of the world. But it's great. I love it. You know, I would wander around the neighborhood, but there's not a lot of great vistas, you know, from this neighborhood. We're mostly in the woods. So I have just as good, if not a better view from my balcony here off of my office than I do from walking down the street. But it's nice. Again, it was more blizzard just a moment ago, but that's okay. It'll come back. See? It's back. This is winter. This is what you expect from winter. Good snow. All right. Time to go have a meal. Yeah, got about a quarter-inch of slush on the railing. But it's nice. It's really nice. Okay, catch you guys later.